Hello, Mr. Hello friends. Today me and with my friend we are present about season. First, there is winter. Winter is the coldest season. When winter, there's come snow.
After winter is spring, and spring it's when in spring it's when the snow starts to melt and starts to rain a lot.
And autumn is come after summer. And sorry.
After that, there is summer. Summer is hot season. When summer comes, many people go to the beach. Thank you.